So tell me, how do I get rich with crypto in 2026?
Oh, you can't. I mean, slowly. Slowly is the answer. What are all, look, the best quote unquote traders in crypto bought it when it was $100 and still own it today on Bitcoin. And the best way to get wealthy in crypto is to buy and hold. Just buy and hold and wait. Ask yourself, like, what do you have the most conviction in crypto? For me, the most conviction I have is that 10 years from now, it's going to be a bigger deal than it is today. And if that's true, you just want to invest for the next 10 years. I always find it funny, people who want a short-term trade, and then they're always surprised when the market moves a way they didn't expect. I'm surprised whether the market moves up or down or sideways tomorrow. I have no way to predict that. But I think I feel pretty good about predicting that, let's say, Bitcoin will be a bigger deal in 2035 than it is in 2025. Or stablecoins and tokenization will be a bigger deal in 2030 than they are today. I feel really good about those bets. So if that's the bet you want to make, just buy, hold, and wait.
I think last time you said there's not much alpha anymore in short-term trading, but the real alpha can still be found in like long-term trends.
Yeah, I think
for normal people like us that are not AI robots.
Yeah, I always try, when I'm tempted to short-term trade, I try to imagine a hedge fund manager with a team of smart assets who makes $25 million a year and has infinite access to technology and knows everyone in the space. And then I ask myself, am I better positioned to outtrade that person, or are they better positioned to outtrade me? And the answer is always, I'm not going up against that person. But for 10 years, look, I think all of the alpha that I see in the market is people underestimating the long-term impact of technology. That's been like the story of the last 30 years. And I think that's true here.
What's the one thing that people should remember from today's conversation?
Yeah, they should, be boring. Be boring and wealthy, maybe.
Be boring and
wealthy.
Sounds easier said than done.
Yeah, well, for me, it's the very long term of this asset class and this technology is up and to the right. Bumps along the road, but up and to the right. And so that's how I would invest.